So that's the dry mode. People are asking, what does the dry mode do? Well, it removes the moisture from the air, obviously, and it also cools. Alright, so I'm running the dry mode, and when I started it was at 27 degrees 0.8 Celsius, as you can see here on the top right, and after about a half an hour now it's at 27.1 Celsius. So it has cooled the air and removed moisture. The difference between the cooling mode and the dry mode is the cooling mode runs it in an optimal way to cool to that specific temperature that you've set, obviously. That's cooling, pretty obvious. The drying just runs the air conditioner, the fan speed and the coil and whatever you call it inside, runs it in an optimal way to remove moisture from the air, but it still also cools the room. It's been basically in the dry mode running continuously at low fan speed, and I know that outside the temperature is rising, but inside the room it's dropped from 27.8 Celsius to 27.1 Celsius, so it has cooled the room also.